Okay, we got cabbage in here cooking. We got 3 baked potatoes in the oven wrapped in aluminum foil at 400 for 1 hour. And we got kielbasa sausage in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. And these are done. Okay, we're going to put chives and butter and sour cream. All we're going to put on our tater, and salt and pepper. Okay, now we got our sour cream out. And we're going to add sharp cheddar cheese. Now that's our baked potato. Thanks for watching. Bye. I cooked the baked potato at 400 for 1 hour. Cooked the sausage for like 3 minutes in the microwave altogether. And cooked the cabbage and bacon grease for 25 minutes.